All right, ready to take a little backroads cruise today. We've got, what do we got? 2, 4, 6, 8 of us going. And we've got C4s, C6s, a couple of them, a C5, C7, C8. So I guess the only thing we're missing is C1 through C4. Oh, no, we do have C4, excuse me. So, yeah, we've got C4 through C8s here. So the only thing not represented is C1 through C3. And this is Andrew's car. You've seen it on Jason's channel several times. C8 70th Anniversary Edition, black with the stripes. I think I got it in the sun there. You can really see those stripes. Looks awesome. Hardtop convertible. And then we got Tom's C4, awesome yellow. Got Neil's C7 Grand Sport. Got our C7 Z06. Got Mark, this first time he's gonna run with us. This is a awesome C6. Love the hood on that thing. Of course, Mike, who you've seen many times, C6 Z06. His dad, Doug, C5. And then our buddy Brandon, who has the absolutely bad to the bone 1,000 horsepower C7 Z06. This is his new donor car. He is fixing to wide body this car, twin turbo it. The engine's coming out. It's gonna go get all forged internals and be ready for some nastiness, the way Brandon does it. So we'll get you a little footage along the way.
Just sit on and look at Google faster than the leader. Don't hesitate. Go ahead and pass me. Do what you want to do. If you've got the general like trip down where we're going, all it is we're going to be basically mostly on 455. Okay, there is going to be a little bit of a where we'll be further west a little bit and heading. No, I'm sorry, further south a little bit and heading, but we'll wind up eventually back on 455. So we're going to go through the east side of Sanger, head across the bridge, and then there's a little turn where we'll wind up over in Aubrey, and then eventually we'll wind back up on 45. And the rest of the way is all 45 till we get to Hannah. Okay, so it's a pretty good trip if y'all have never done it. It's nice scenery, not a lot of traffic east of Salina, but we might be dealing with traffic on this side of Salina. Okay, so I just have to deal with that. Hopefully with no rock trucks, right? Like last time
yeah.
We hit a rock truck.
It was fun to get an opportunity to pass them.
Yeah. I mean, we did finally eventually pass them, but
dodge bullets.
Yeah. So, all right. So, does anybody have any questions before we go?
I love the C6 in white. That thing looks so good. And then that hood's just awesome. There's 8 of us, right?
Yeah.
One C5, 2 C6s, 2 C7s, 2 C8s. I think that's the breakdown. downtown Salina, Texas. It is a beautiful old downtown area. It is always full, but somehow we had spots just enough for 8 of our Corvettes. But it is a certainly neat little area down here. This used to be a real little town that's just booming now. I'm sure people that have been here for a long time are probably absolutely hating it about now, but over here to our next stop. This is a old malt shop here in Anna, Texas. And we've got all the cars parked here in the field. And we got a pretty cool place to go right after this to get some good pictures that we'll throw in this video too. But man, what a gorgeous lineup we got here. So cool to have 8 cars out here running these back roads with us. This has been an absolute blast. Now we're over here in Anna. We've just got our delicious burger and shakes, and now we're over at this cool little place here as a train depot over here with all of our rides lined up, taking pictures. Such a cool area over here. All right, we decided to pull over here in front of the train now to do a little video.